This video will teach you how to properly use Resolute. We encourage you to visit tailoredadhesives.com. Read through our technical data sheet for the most up-to-date substrate preparation information, as well as installation techniques and procedures, as not all flooring types will be demonstrated. Resolute is ideal for use in healthcare, hospitality, retail, commercial, naval, education, and multi-family settings. Resolute's unlimited moisture membrane does not require any substrate testing prior to application and will protect your flooring from moisture and alkali attack, as well as topical liquids from showers, spills, and pets. Resolute can be used with a number of flooring types. When using Resolute, it is important to follow the guidelines set by the flooring manufacturer to achieve a proper bond. Now that you are ready to apply Resolute, please ensure that you're using the correct tool. For proper coverage, ensure that you are holding your trowel between a 60 and 90 degree angle. The adhesive ridges will quickly dissipate to form a smooth working surface and eliminate telegraphing without having to backroll the adhesive. Also, as Resolute is a moisture-cured system, you will need to reseal the lid when the product is not in use. For tile products, as shown in this demonstration, we will wait 10 minutes after spreading the adhesive to allow it to build up surface tack to reduce movement. When installing sheet goods or stair treads, you will install flooring immediately after spreading Resolute. Next, install your flooring product. Depending on environment conditions such as temperature and humidity, you will have about 45 minutes of working time to install. Once the planks are installed, remember to use a hand roller and apply steady pressure to ensure a good bond. You will also want to periodically lift a piece of the flooring material to verify that the adhesive is transferring properly. When installing sheet goods or stair treads, no hand roller is required. 1 to 2 hours after installation, you will need to use a 75 to 100 pound roller using a crisscross pattern to fully lock your flooring into place. Resolute's unrivaled cure time allows you to heat weld, wet mop, or strip and finish the floor as soon as 6 hours after finishing your installation. With Resolute's extremely fast occupancy times, you can have light traffic in only 3 hours, and heavy traffic is allowed in just 4 hours. Heavy rolling loads, such as hospital beds and handcarts, those are safe on your flooring as quickly as 8 hours. If Resolute happens to get on top of your flooring, walls, or baseboard, it can easily be removed using a damp cloth and water. If the adhesive has begun to dry, use an adhesive remover or stripper, denatured alcohol, or mineral spirits to remove. Always check compatibility on a piece of scrap flooring. If you have any installation questions, you may call our experienced technical support team at 1-800-868-4583 or visit us online at tailoredadhesives.com.